Thanks and welcome to a quick tutorial video on FortiWeb automation stitches. Automation stitches automate the activities between the different system components, which decreases the response times to security events. In this video, we'll do a quick demo of an automation stitch for blocking repeated attacks from an IP address and automatically create Microsoft Teams and Jira notification actions. User scenario is an online store is facing a series of repeated attacks from specific IP addresses. The threat score for the client surpasses the threshold set in client management. We will set the trigger detection on the FortiWeb, and list of actions are required to be configured as listed below. Step 1 is configure the client management settings by navigating to the Policy Web Protection profile. Select the profile and follow the instructions on the video. Next step is to create a client management log trigger on the FortiWeb. Creating a FortiWeb log trigger filters out the client management logs with block period action. On the CLI script, we set up an action to block an IP address. Step 4 is to create a Microsoft Teams and Jira notification actions, and they can be configured on Security Fabric Automation and configure the notification options. In this step 5, we can now create a stitch to trigger the actions. The last step is to validate that the Teams and Jira notifications that configured can now receive notifications when stitch occurs.